On August 30th, 2024, BNM Netherlands chapter organised a protest at Dam Square in Amsterdam to commemorate the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances. The event focused on the dire situation in Balochistan, where thousands have been forcibly disappeared, allegedly by state authorities. The protest aimed to raise global awareness about these human rights abuses and called for international action to hold those responsible accountable. Activists and supporters gathered to demand justice for the Baloch people and to shed light on the ongoing crisis in the region.
Stop and force disappearances in Balochistan. Release.
Baloch missing person.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Stop.
Baloch genocide.
Stop.
Baloch genocide.
End and force disappearances in
Balochistan.
End and force disappearances in
Balochistan.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Stop fake encounters in
Balochistan.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan. Pakistani army. Pakistani army. Pakistani army. Balochistan. Pakistan. Pakistan. Pakistan.
End and force disappearances in
Balochistan.
End and force disappearances in
Balochistan.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Release.
Baloch missing person.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist army.
Pakistan army.
Terrorist army. Sanction.
Pakistan.
Sanction.
Pakistan.
Terrorist army!
Pakistan army.
Terrorist army!
Pakistan army.
Justice for!
Balochistan.
Free!
Balochistan. Pakistan. Pakistan. Baloch missing person. Baloch missing person.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
Terrorist country.
Pakistan.
UNO! UNO!
Freedom soul.
Balochistan!
Freedom soul.
Balochistan!
Freedom soul.
Balochistan! Free!
Balochistan.
Free!
Balochistan.
Free!
Balochistan.
Balochistan!
Balochistan.
Justice for!
Balochistan.
Justice for!
Balochistan.
They look Bunete Ishar Bune!
Pada Baloch. Pada Baloch.
They look Bunete Ishar Bune!
Pada Baloch. Pada Baloch.
Freedom for!
Balochistan.
Freedom for!
Balochistan. Balochistan.
Go back. Go back.
China.
Go back.
China.
Op de internationale dag van slachtoffers van gedwongen verdwijningen richten de aandacht op Balochistan, waarmee 20.000 mensen zijn verdwenen. Het zijn niet zomaar cijfers. Het zijn onze broers, zussen, ouders en kinderen, ontnomen van hun leven en tot zwijgen gebracht door angst. In Balochistan kan de uitspreken van je mening in je leven kosten. Dit is niet alleen een lokaal probleem. Het is een individuele crisis op het gebied van mensenrechten. De wereld kan niet langer stil blijven. We moeten gerechtigheid eisen voor de verdwenen personen en verantwoording voor degenen die hiervoor verantwoordelijk zijn. Aan de families van Balochistan, wij staan aan jullie zijde. Jullie strijd is onze strijd. Aan de internationale gemeenschap, de tijd is actie in nu. Samen kunnen we gerechtigheid brengen en einde maken aan dit leed. Dank u wel.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather here on the occasion of International Enforced Disappearances Day. The day which is very significant for the international media. If we talk about Balochistan, then you can get thousand stories where each Baloch is impacted by the Pakistani military and by the Pakistani government. Whoever speaks up for their right and for their freedom, then they will be abducted, tortured, and their mutilated bodies will be thrown in the deserted areas. In Balochistan, there is a blackout of media. You cannot say anything, you cannot choose anything, you do not have any rights. You are deprived of each and everything. Thank you. Today, we come together to remember the International Day of Victims of Enforced Disappearances. a day that reminds us of deep pain and suffering experienced by so many people around the world. It is a day to honor those who have disappeared without a trace, whose fate remains unknown, and whose families continue to live in fear and uncertainty. We must also remember the terrible situation faced by the Baloch people, who have endured significant suffering due to enforced disappearances and ongoing violation. The Baloch genocide is not a distant issue. It is a harsh reality that has taken thousands of lives, leaving behind immense sorrow and destructions. Despite the seriousness of these crimes, the world remains largely silent. This silence is devastating. It echoes through the empty home of disappeared. Enforced disappearances in Pakistan are the grave human rights issue affecting multiple ethnic groups, including Baloch, Kashmiris, Sindhis, and Pashtuns. These communities face targeted abductions, often linked to political dissent autonomy, with individuals being detained without legal process and their whereabouts concealed. The families of disappeared, we offer our deepest solidarity. Your strength in the face of such unimaginable pain. On the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance, let us commit to being a voice of voiceless, a light in the darkness, and to ensure that the world can no longer ignore such grave injustice. Let us remember the fight for justice, truth, and the preservation of human dignity is a fight that belongs to all of us. Balochistan, Zindabad. Stop human rights violations in. Stop human rights violations in. Stop human rights violations in.
Dorse roche ruti tahare ke sakha. Dorse roche ruti tahare ke sakha. Balki shumeho chokke gare ke sakha. Today, on the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances, we are here to remember those who have been taken away from their families without a trace. Balochistan, rich in culture and history, has suffered deeply from this cruel practice. For years, people in Balochistan have faced terrible injustices. Hundreds, perhaps thousands of Baloch men, women, and even children have been abducted by the Pakistani security forces and agencies, leaving their families in a painful state of not knowing what has happened to them, not knowing will they ever return back home. These disappearances are not just so random. They are meant to silence those who speak up for themselves, for equality, for justice, and especially for the freedom of Balochistan. Security forces and intelligence agencies have been accused of abducting journalists, activists, students, singers, writers, and anyone suspected of dissent. The impact is heartbreaking. Mistrust and fear is spread through communities as they live in constant uncertainty. International groups have been called to end these terrible acts, but the world has remained silent. It's time for us to break that silence. It's time for us to speak up. It's time for us to demand justice. We must speak out and demand justice. We must stand with the people of Balochistan in their fight for truth. Today, let's promise to be the voices for those who cannot speak for themselves. Let's work to end and enforce disappearances everywhere, starting with Balochistan. We owe it to the victims, to their families, and especially to the principles of justice and human dignity. Yakke darket sad begah bhi main deha. Yakke darket sad begah bhi main deha. Angat kai insaf wadare kissa kam, balki shumeh chokke gare kissa kam. Of the victims of enforced disappearance, let me introduce you with the question which goes by who are the victims of enforced disappearance. People who have literally disappeared from their loved ones and their community. The thought of disappearance is heavy on each and every individual related to their disappeared person. Imagine not knowing where your child or brother or father is. Imagine not knowing how they are, did they even eat, are they sleeping well? And the hardest that hits, are they even they alive or not? Should I wait? Should I move on? You don't just disappear, but your related ones are fighting a battle every night as fighting a nightmare to sleep. And every morning, as soon as the eyes click open, only if they were ever closed during the night. Remembering the unseen, victim of enforced disappearances, who are bearing the torture in the dark cell from decades. Not only few well-known cases of Zakir Majid, Dr. Deen Mahmood, Shabir Baloch or Zahid Baloch in the list of missing persons, but we have thousands of Baloch people in the list of enforced disappearances, and we have no trace of their whereabouts. The enforced disappeared person is deprived of his liberty and is placed outside the protection of law. Oh wait, what liberty am I talking about? I forgot. We don't have any kind of liberty even in our own country, unfortunately. Under the Congo Genocide, War Crimes and Crimes Against Humanity Act 1998, enforced disappearances, when committed as part of a widespread or systematic attack directed against any civilian population with knowledge of the attack or crime against humanity. But who cares? They are just common Baloch people disappearing regularly. We all are aware of what's happening, but it's okay. Nobody cares. It's something regular, right? Wait until it happens to you, when we can ask each other how it feels. Enforced disappearance is not death, but it's worse than death. It's a continuous pain of unknowing. In closing, let us remember the words of Desmond Tutu. If you are neutral in situation of injustice, you have chosen the side of oppressor. In Balochistan, enforced disappearance, a wound that never heals. Families endure endless pain, but the relentless demand for truth and justice keeps hope alive. On this solemn day, let us choose not to be neutral. Let us stand with the victim of enforced disappearances and their families. Raise your voice for voiceless.
The arrest and detention of an individual by the state or any third party with the support of the state who later refused to admit this act and information about the person's whereabouts. The act of the possible disappearance deprive an individual of several human rights: the rights to fair trial, the rights to recognize as a person before the law, the rights to liberty, the rights to protect from the torture and degrading the treatment. The history of the enforced disappearance is quite fearful. The Baloch believe rightly so that the Pakistan forces are repeating the war crime that it committed to the counter the Bengali people's war of liberation. But this time the guns are pointed at Balochistan and the victim are Baloch people. The issue of enforced disappearance surfaced during the early 2000s and continuously till today. Since then, thousands of Baloch have gone missing and no one knows their whereabouts. Balochistan is a black hole, not only for the media but also for the political activism, which is why most of the cases of disappearance go unreported. According to the Voice for Baloch Missing Person and Human Rights Organization, the total number of the reported cases is more than 40,000. The United Nations also reported that many women and children are also missing in the Balochistan. It has been noticed that the victims of the enforced disappearance are mostly politically conscious students, teachers, journalists, lawyers, and individuals from all sections of the society. This shows that the state of the Pakistan has made a policy to crush the political movement of the Baloch people. Baloch political and non-political groups have been using all democratic means for the safe recovery of enforced disappearance person. Mama Qadir Baloch, the vice chairman of the Voice for Baloch Missing Person, Miss Farzana Majid, the sister of the enforced disappearance Baloch students leader Zakir Majid Samidin, daughter of Dr. Deen Muhammad Baloch, along with several other families of disappearance Baloch. The killing of the person is custody is a blatant violation of the right to life granted by the United Nations Declaration of the Human Rights. The kill and dump policy of the Pakistan is aggravated and human rights situation in Balochistan. The Baloch National Movement organized this demonstration in Netherlands, Amsterdam, is to highlight the injustice happening in Balochistan at the global level. Holding this demonstration on the occasion of the International Day of Enforced Disappearance is a reminder that the problem of the violation of the right of the Baloch nation required the attention of the global consciousness. The Baloch movement believes that the pressure of the international community can play an important role in preventing the Pakistan from violating the human rights. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to say welcome to all of you. Today, on the International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearances, I stand before you not just as a speaker, but as a brother whose life has been marked by an unbearable loss. My name is Abdul Wahid Baloch and I am the brother of Zakir Majid Baloch. He was forcibly taken from us and for 15 years we have lived with the agony of his disappearance. Today I stand here not just for my brother, but for all the families who are living through this nightmare. Each enforced disappearance is a tragedy that leaves a void that can never be filled. Pakistan is responsible for these disappearances. I would like to mention the United Nations and the European Union here. I ask, where is my brother? What crime did he commit that warranted such a cruel fate? We demand answers. We demand accountability. The international community, I plead, do not turn a blind eye to our suffering. As we remember Zakir Majid and all the victims of enforced disappearances today, let us renew our commitment to justice. My brother is in Pakistani torture cells, but his spirit remains with us. His courage, his determination, and his love for his people continue justice is served. We will not rest until he is found, until justice is served, and until the practice of the enforced disappearances is brought to an end. Thank you so much for listening me. Long live Balochistan, Azad Balochistan, Zindagabad. Masajje sangatani minatagira o shuma mana gosh dashte anchuk shuma zane marchi siye gaste o International Enforced Disappearance Day ma kiste duniya to ka har kiste marchi garo begwa buta marduma avani wasta har kas wati marduma wasta darata zarshani karagaye माशुमा बलोच महकूम में एक मजलूम कौम में मर्ची माशुमा दा आतगे दुनिया रा पेश दारगा कि पाकिस्तानी वड़े एक रियासत ते तई सरा चोन जबर कर गए चोन जुल्म कर गए
تی لاشنا دور دے گئی تا لاشنا کل کر گئے تی سالہ نسال تی زاگا نگار کر گئے بر گئے ماں مرچی دا BNM نیدرلینڈ نیم گا چی پاکستان ہمیں گوشک روٹی کی تو ہر ظلم تو بلوچ سرزمین سرا کنے ماں تی ہر ظلم تی ہر جبرے خلاف ہم دنیا ہر انٹرنیشنل سطح یا ہوشتے ماں تی ہما چالا کی ہما شاتری کہ تو چون دنیا رد ہے معاشرہ پدر کنے تی ماں اے ظلم و زورہ کیا نا دنیا را پیش دارے ماں ادھا مرچی نیدرلینڈ آتا گئے میں سنگتا ہے آتا گئے اے درو مردمانی سنگت سیاد وارث مات پیت اشانی جنک بو گئے کشک بو گئے گار کنک بو گئے مرچی مائدہ آتا بیائی معاشرہ مائدہ عہد کنے کہ مرچی اچھے رنگ پاکستان چوشی جرت مکنت کہ میں مردمانہ روڈانی سرا بجنت روڈانی سرا دور بیدنت روڈانی سرا چست پکاو گار بیگوا پکنت وہ ترہ پدا لا تعلق پکنت مرچی بیائی پاکستان شیطانی وڑے ریاست ترہ گوشک بیت کہ تو ہر چیز ظلم و زورک کنے بلوچ چست بیت بلوچ طرح پیش داری کہ بلوچ کستے یک محکوم قوم ہے بلے یک بیگرت قوم ہے نہیں تی وڑے نے نہیں ہوشتی ہر جگہ ہوشتی تی ظلمانی خلافہ ہوشتی سنگتا سلامت بات ہے منت وارشن
مروچی روچ ماشما سرپدے گار بھی گواہیں مردمانی روچے کہ ہما اچبر زوراک دی ہما وطی سر جہل نہ کتا او حق گپ پیجتا او حق جنڈائے بورس کتا نو ہمیں سپرا ماشما درست بلوچ گزگائیں کہ میں ملکا ہما بلوچ کی بلوچستان گپا جاں بلوچ حق کے گپا جاں ہمیں بڑا گار بیگا کنک بھی آئیے سالہ یہ حال لیستے نماش میں بلوچ ہر جاگیں ہر وائیں ہر وڑیں جاور حالن توکائیں میں ایک میں درستان سرا پرزیں کہ میں بلوچستان و بلوچ واسطہ توار چست بکنے امیدیں آکے مردم ملکائیں آشرنے وڑی وہ دی کردہ پہلو کنگائیں ہر وڑی تکلیفی برداشت کنگائیں او بلوچ راجی جنزہ دیمہ برگائیں معاشمہ کیدہ نشتگیں دری ملکاں چاہاں مواز آسی دتریں او میں ایک میں درستان سرا پرزیں کہ ماں ہر جگہ ہر ادارے انتو کا بلوچ آوازہ برز بکلی گوڑ سرا مشوی درستانی محنتہ گراں شمائدات کے وہ تی قیمتی واحدہ وہ تی راج توار لیتے محنت وار